Okay, so my friend, Dr. Jen, she started her challenge today. It's a 5-day carnivore challenge. And these are some red Argentina shrimp. I got at Aldi. They're great. They come frozen. They get frosted in a pretty short amount of time in some water. The bacon is the Black Forest bacon. And you can use that as your grease or oil to fry the shrimp in. It's only going to take a few minutes because you don't want to overcook shrimp, you know. Of course, the Argentine shrimp have a little color. They almost look like they're already cooked, but they do need a couple minutes on each side. And you got the salt from the bacon, and of course the bacon flavor. And I like a little extra pepper myself. And this is about 4 or 5 ounces of bacon. Shrimp. One slice of bacon. You know, of course, you can do as many ounces as you want. This definitely is considered carnivore. And I actually started doing carnivore over a week ago before Jen was going to do the challenge, before I even knew about it. And so I have diabetes, and my blood sugars are much easier to maintain because I'm not eating carbs. So pretty much gone from 2 or 3 injections a day to just 1. And excuse me. The other thing is I have a form of muscular dystrophy, and that's my gait has totally changed. My energy has changed. So maybe the carnivore is worth trying for you as well. Anyway, take care.